Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix 403 forbidden error on iPhone. For example, if you open Safari and try to open a website on Safari and you see that error 403 forbidden, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply close this page. And after closing this page, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply make sure that you have turned on proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi internet connection can be restarted. Moreover, you can also restart your Wi-Fi router so that it can work properly. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So you have to click on that. In general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. And after resetting your network setting, you have to make sure that website server is not down, which means you can simply check for the server down of that website, which means it may be that that website has a server problem and that's why it is showing an error. So what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time, and after that you have to simply restart that website again, and you have to check and refresh that website. And you can also restart your iPhone so that nothing will be from your side error. So you can simply restart your iPhone. For this, you have to simply press and hold the volume button and power button, and after that you have to simply power off your iPhone, and you have to simply restart again, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply find the solution in Apple discussion or in Apple support, and they can provide you a better solution. So hope you have liked this video. If you're gonna get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.